World Under-20 100-meter champion Tina Clayton and the fast-rising sprint star Brian Level headlined Jamaica's 78-member team for the 49th CARIFTA Games at the National Stadium from April 16 to 18. The Edwin Allen pair is joined by several other seasoned campaigners for the Games, which is back on the calendar after a 2-year absence due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Clayton twins, Tia and Tina, are among the headline names among the 21 girls in the under-20 division. That category will also have the likes of Brianna Liston, Serena Cole, Onika McAnuff, Onika Wilson, and disco star Cedrica Williams. Apart from Lavelle, the boys under-20 squad, which has 20 members, also includes fellow sprinters Boaji and Krume, Sandre Davison and DeAndre Daly, as well as 800-meter hero Javon Blake, shot putter Kobe Lawrence, and World Under-20 triple jump silver medalist Jadon Hibbert. The Under-17 girls team has 19 members, while 18 athletes form the boys Under-17 unit. Head coach Corey Bennett says the staging of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships a week before the CARIFTA Games will keep Jamaica's athletes well tuned for the regional championship.
Especially in the under-20s, we have a very strong set of boys and girls, and under-17s are strong as well. So, no, I mean, coming off a week at champs, you really can't beat that pressure. So, I think it will be, I think we'll have some fun, competing as an all-star team, so to speak, 1 week later from the boys and girls champs.
Bennett is also expecting the team to acquit itself quite well over the 3 days of competition.
Any team, especially at the CARIFTA levels, assembled by the selection committee, normally is an excellent team. I mean, I think having home advantage also helps the team. I mean, they'll be competing at that track, just a couple of days before that. So, pressure, no, I think it's an excellent team, and I think they've done a good job in selecting the best team available. And I'm expecting to have, some excellent performances.
The country has topped the medal table at the Games every year since 1985. Over 500 athletes from 27 countries will be locked in battle over the 3 days of competition. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.